Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a very famous and extremely healthy breakfast recipe, French toast. Hope you like the recipe. Let's look at the ingredients. We need about 3 eggs. I have used here organic brown eggs, but you can use any. Salt to taste, some black pepper, some chopped coriander leaves. I like that green color on the bread, but these are optional. About 1/4 cup of milk to give that extra fluffiness to the batter. 1/8 cup of chickpea flour or besan. This is to give that crispy texture to the bread. And some red pepper flakes if you like them, but these are optional. I have used here regular sandwich bread and I have taken about 4 slices of sandwich bread. But you can use any bread that you like, even a bun bread. Just cut it in half and you can use that. Take a white plate. This is to allow your bread to soak well. You need enough space to do that. Now let's start breaking the eggs one by one. Ensure that the cover doesn't fall on in the eggs. Nobody likes that. So just do it carefully. And I'm gonna break the third one here. Oh damn, I just had the cover fallen in the egg, so do better job than me and take that off. Now gently break those yolks and give it a quick mix. Let's add the ingredients. Add the salt. Next add the 1/4 cup of milk, some chopped coriander leaves, and like I said, these are optional, some black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Give this a good mix. Ensure that all the ingredients are mixed well in the batter. Take your time, to do this. It will take about a minute or so. Now add the chickpea flour to the batter. Again, give it a good mix. Try to take off maximum lumps as you can, but again, it's very difficult since the mixture is a little slimy, so do the best you can and take off all the lumps. Now put the flame to high and use a non-stick pan. You can also use a steel pan, but I just find, cooking these in a non-stick pan better because it's easier to remove them. Add about 4 teaspoons of oil and some butter. The reason I've used butter is the flavor that it imparts to the bread and the eggs, but if you don't want to use it, it's okay. Now comes the fun part. Dip the bread in batter just like this and soak it well and put it on the pan. Our pan is hot enough, so notice the little bubbles that come around the bread. Do the same for the second one and put it on the pan. Now notice that not enough coriander leaves stick to the bread, so what I'm going to do is just with my hands like that, I'm going to take off some leaves from the batter and add it to the breads. Unfortunately, you cannot use any spoon or a fork to do that because the mixture is very slimy, so nothing sticks to the spoon or the fork. So just do it with your hands. Look at that nice yellow and green color that it gives to the French bread. Now turn the flame to medium and let these two breads cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on this side. Just toss them like this in between, but let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now turn them over and cook on the other side. Look at that beautiful golden color that has come to the bread. Now let's make sure that the bread is well cooked on the other side as well. So turn them over. Awesome, it has got that golden color. So now the French toast is ready. Let's go ahead and take it out in a plate. Don't they look yummy? Now let's add our remaining breads as well. Add the teaspoon of oil and spread the fat across the pan. And follow the same process. Just give a toss to the batter and dip the bread and fry it. So looks like I do have some batter left in there. So what I'm gonna do is take one more bread and finish off that batter. So looks like in 3 eggs with the amount of milk and chickpea flour added, we can fit in 5 sandwich breads. Now turn them over and cook them well on the other side as well. They turn nice golden color here. Now they've been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes on this side as well. So just turn them over and make sure that they're well done, which they are. So I'm gonna take them off and serve them in the same plate. Now the French toast is ready. While I finish off the last bread with the remaining batter, go ahead and enjoy these hot French breads with a tea or coffee, or just like me, I'm gonna have it with some orange juice and ketchup. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.